This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Bonjour, mes amis. I'm so excited for this video. It is not only sweater weather, but it is Halloween. Like Halloween's in almost 2 weeks, I think. But if you are looking for a cute look for your mask-friendly Halloween parties, definitely check out this video to see how you can obtain this leopard glam look. Using the You Can Be Belongings palette, I'm gonna start off with punk. It's gonna be a little bit of a story time with my Halloween look. I'm actually gonna share the first and last time I ever went trick-or-treating. Like my first memories of my childhood is around when I was like 5, but maybe I might have been 6 years old. My parents are very traditional African parents, so they don't believe in Halloween. They don't believe in celebrating the Day of the Devil. Like, my child will have nothing to do with this. Eventually, begging my parents several times to allow us to go trick-or-treating. Eventually, they caved. Now, I cannot recall what I dressed up as. I think I was probably a princess. I distinctly remember wearing blue, so I might have been Cinderella. So picture me, little 6 years old, so excited for my first time trick-or-treating. We're going in our neighborhood. We go, to the first house.
Trick or treats! Oh, fun, fun! Yay! Look how cute your costume is. Wonderful.
We're doing the block. Everything is going great. I guess we were halfway into trick-or-treating when we reached one of these houses, and my second oldest sister, I believe she said, she didn't want to go or something like that. Like, this house was decorated to the nine. Those people who, Halloween is their season, they went in, like, coffins everywhere, spiders everywhere, all like oogie boogie scary things that you would be frightful as a child. One of the zombie characters that was on the porch, they looked really like they're really stealth, but to me they looked really real. And this is where I started to get nervous. As soon as we get to the door, trick or treat, yay, yay, yay. When we were leaving, that damn person in the chair jumps out. I freaked out like I've never freaked out in my life. Start bawling my eyes out. I'm like stuck frozen. I'm like not moving off the porch, bawling my eyes out. And my mom is calling me like, come on, it's just pretend. It's nothing serious. It's just pretend. And I'm just crying. There is no consoling me, nothing. I start having a tantrum. I'm like, no, we're going home. So from that day forward, honestly, me and my sisters never went trick-or-treating again. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Precise. You want something that's not feathered tip necessarily, is make C's, like the letter C. So you're gonna do different sized, of course. So you're gonna do, I'm gonna do them slightly larger so you can see and I don't have to, if you want them smaller, obviously make them smaller, but I'm gonna do them different size. And you wanna do them in different directions as well. I'm gonna do mine slightly larger. You're just, doing C's. It doesn't have to be super like precise. We're gonna go in with Baja. It's this pretty orange tone. And you're gonna go in with a thinner brush. And basically, you're gonna go in of the C's. You're just gonna pat. I'm gonna use Stranded. I'm honestly want to show you that you can, from this palette, which I said was very good and it was good for end of summer and fall, and now it's turning out to be a really great Halloween palette. So you're gonna use maybe the corners of your brush. I'm using Stranded, which is the same gold I used for my lids. And then closer towards the ends of the C's, like the openings, you want to put just a dot. Beauty's lashes today. Please give a thumbs up for my, let me try to get up here, my Jack Skeleton t-shirt. To complete this look, I'm gonna do a nude lip with just a hint of red. I'm not gonna do the full whiskers. I'm not gonna do the nose. I find that's a bit childish. Like if you want very literal animal, I want to be a leopard, you can paint your whole face and do all of that, right? But this is more so an adult glam, very pretty, beginner friendly leopard. So we're gonna just skip all that nose and whiskers business. I just find that's more so, it's cute for kids. I have color number 47, which is this light, but it looks lighter on camera than what it actually is. And then we have color number 1, which is this red. Voici la look fini. So this is it. This is the very easy leopard beginner friendly look. If you liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more of my content, and I'll see you when I see you. Happy Halloween!